Globally, over 1 billion people need a home today, and this number would go up to 1.6 billion by 2025. And we are helping them by providing affordable, fast, modular, and sustainable homes by using a new age construction technique which is called composite paper honeycomb panels. Hello everyone, I am Abhimanyu Singh, co-founder of Team Hexpressions, and we are from India. We are on a mission to eradicate homelessness. We have developed a new age construction technique which uses a new age raw material which is called composite paper honeycomb panels. These panels are made up of recycled paper honeycomb, which is at the core, sandwiched between two face materials. In this case, these are cement fiber boards. This construction technique is super fast, that is modular, this is affordable, this is eco-friendly, and this reduces the carbon footprint by 50% than any other traditional construction methods. Construction industry is one of the oldest industries in this world. But ironically, this industry is the least innovative among all. This industry is still using age-old materials, methods, and processes. And we are challenging this industry by providing a solution which is 100% eco-friendly, fast, modular, and reduces carbon footprint by 50%. We are a young team of innovators and architects from India, and we have over a decade of industry experience in the field of design and architecture. Our solution is really unique. It is a prefabricated system which will be designed and also produced in the factory, and we will transport the solution for the user on the site. Our team will go there and they will install a home for the user within a matter of few weeks. This method is 100% eco-friendly. This reduces the carbon footprint by 50%. We reduce the water consumption in the construction process by 90%, and we also use 100% eco-friendly material. We really feel that this solution has the capacity to change the face of this construction industry, and we feel this is the new era of construction. And we hope this solution will help getting a shelter to all the people on this planet in affordable prices.